So finally the paperwork is complete and we have the key in our hands. What's up? So this is another day and today we are going to take delivery of a new car. As I already told you in yesterday's vlog that we are taking a delivery of a special car. So the only hint here is that it has a sunroof and it has got all of us excited. So tag along the journey and we are taking the delivery from Panvel. So we'll be traveling to Panvel now with another car which is also a special one. So I'll show you more about it. That's how the CNG is refilled, and trust me guys, CNG is pretty amazing. It's, let's say, quarter of the price of fuel or the petrol that you're gonna fill. So you know, on an average a Bombay trip costs us just rupees 3 to 400 when we take out this car, and compared to a petrol car it will easily cost you over $1,000. So that's how cost effective CNG is. One more let's say con of CNG is that you have to get out of the car, like each and every passenger has to get out of the car to get the CNG refilled, and I don't really know the reason for it, but yeah, that's really necessary when you are refilling. This is what I was talking about. It's completely loaded on the inside. Look at the carbon fiber panels, and it goes up to the third row of seats. All the bottle openers and all of the plastic parts have been treated with carbon fiber. This is dipped and it really looks wonderful. This car also has 360 cameras. So there is a camera over here, if you see it, and one is over here, one is at the rear, and one is at the another mirror. So all of this is not company fitted. It has been put afterwards, after buying the car. So this is basically a VXI and it's almost as good as a top model now. Panvel Hyundai showroom now. This is Vishal Hyundai and our car is ready for delivery outside. But first we'll check out a few cars over here. So there's Verna and there's Alcazar, and I don't really dig Alcazar that much, but I love the Verna and I love the Creta. So yeah, I'll try to walk you around a few models over here and then we'll start with the delivery part. We are sitting in the Verna 2021 now, and I'm just kind of loving this one. It is spacious, it is low to the ground, and definitely my style. I prefer sedans over SUVs, though obviously our roads are not really good, but it doesn't really matter, right? So yeah, done with the venue and Verna. Let's now check out Alcazar over here. Alcazar, and this is the stock -1 variant, and it is automatic, so obviously it has pedal shifters, and the dashboard really feels plush. But I don't know, I kind of prefer the Creta over the Alcazar, because even though this has 2 extra seats, they are definitely not practical whatsoever. But yeah, I mean, Hyundai has really upped their game, and the premium feel, it's just on another level. So guys, finally the paperwork is complete, and we have the key in our hand. So one is with the auto lock, and I mean the lock and this thing, and the another key is a normal one.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you fast. Ooh.
There it is, the new Hyundai Venue in the house, और इसका जो भी बाद में features, video, whatever is there, so that I'll explain to you later. This is just going to be more like a delivery video. So congratulations Mr. Amit Dubey and the SAS family. So yeah, the delivery is done, and let's now chase them home. Mostly we'll wait somewhere to eat. If it's a good place, I'll vlog it. If not, then this is it.
They don't talk about, quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date if you got what I
Finally
need.
stopped here at, what's it, Coconut Lagoon, something like that, and we are actually really starving because it's 3:30 p.m. already, and the usual lunch time is obviously around 1 p.m. So we are here and we'll have some good lunch. Because Arya, would you like to shout out for your channel?
काय बोलू?
Bol, tell them about your channel. Don't be shy.
Guys, it's me Arya, Sultan Dada's sister. I have my own channel, Cuddly Hugs. You can go and subscribe to it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey guys, make sure to check her channel out. She's just, how old are you, Arya?
11.
She's 11 and she has her own YouTube channel. She has her own Instagram, and she also has a small business on Instagram. So I'll link it down below. You can definitely check that.
I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel
Had our lunch and it was really good. It costed us about rupees 2,000 for 5 people. So precisely that's 400 rupees per person. And Anika, what did we order?
We ordered butter chicken, chicken tikka masala, and some butter naan.
Okay, and all of the items were very tasty.
Yeah, they
right?
were really nice.
So yeah guys, the experience was actually really good. So now I'll be driving the Venue for the first time, and I hope it goes well. So because main change is from CNG, I'll be driving a diesel. So I am expecting the power to be a little bit better, and also the size of the car is smaller. So I hope the entire experience will be fun. I'll definitely let you guys know how it feels in the inside. the moment you open the door and you're welcomed by a lot of premiumness inside the cabin. Let me adjust my seat. So yeah guys, that's the Venue SX diesel model for you, 2021 variant. So let's start the engine now. Started the engine, and it being a diesel, in spite of it being a diesel, there's so much refinement that you really don't feel like it's a diesel motor. It feels more like petrol, and that's really amazing. Start driving now, and I'll hand over the camera to Anika and Arya, and they'll take over the vlog from here. And especially I want you guys to tell me, how did you find your new car?
It's really nice. I mean, I don't know much about the specs of the cars, but I like this one because it's quite spacious and I like it more. Sunroof, and yeah, it's good. I like it. Arya, what do you have to say? Why are you being shy? Come on. What do you have to say?
It's nice.
Do you like this one more or Ertiga more?
I like Ertiga more. But this is good too. I like it. It's spacious.
Okay. And you have Asil Dada driving now.
Trust me guys, this, I don't know, I'm already enjoying it just in the first impressions itself. Like I just sat on the seat and I just started driving, but you can immediately say that this is definitely a much different product than what the Ertiga is. And like it feels spacious. Okay, on the outside Venue might look like a small car, and I was just telling these people that when I start driving, I'm surely going to still like the Ertiga more for its size and everything. But this experience is really amazing, and I'm already liking it so much. So yeah, let's I'll do a proper review of this car some few days later, because we need to explore the car more.